Leadership is the ability to influence someone around you. All the humans are living together. Each of us has families, friends, and relationships. However, just a few of us could be a leader who has so many followers, and who do influence a lot of people all at once. In my opinion, we could start to influence someone around us and keep doing that for a lifetime. Then there could be some people be influenced by us in the long run. I want to share a story of mine to encourage you begin to influence someone around you. I have a very good friend in my high school. After the high school, I went to America for my undergraduate degree, and she went to Copenhagen. During nearly 1 year, we didn't see each other, just kept in touch by internet sometimes. In the freshman year summer break, I back home and met her. I think that could be the most difficult time she had in her life. She dropped the school in Copenhagen because she had been sexually assaulted by a man in Copenhagen. She hated Chinese students in Copenhagen because they are so indifferent. She also hated people living in Copenhagen because they hurt her. That is the time she was thinking about giving up the school and doing the business with her mother, or continuing studying in China. She preferred to do the business with her mother because she was afraid to meet people in the same age. She was afraid they will know her story someday. She didn't want to the place with so many people as well. Although I can feel what she afraid, I still encouraged her to continue studying in China. I told her, the college is both the dream of you and your parents. In China, the people who are not graduating from a college face so many difficulties to find a good job. You need to think not only yourself, but also your parents. If you couldn't get a better life in the future, who can take care of your parents? The country will not provide us with that much protection of the living standards. On the other hand, the one who will be your friends like me will not treat you different because of your story. The one who will marry you will love you whatever experience you have. You need to trust yourself and trust the people who love you. After 5 months, I received her message from internet. She told me that she had studied by herself and been admitted by a college in Beijing. Right now, we were still very good friends and she was studying well in her college. That is one of the most important experiences in my life. The first time I feel I could influence someone around me to help her feel better in the life. I hope you all could get some inspiration from my story, thinking about beginning to influence someone around you. Thank you.